Ano, maurag ka? Catch Uragon Basketball League on Uragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
The intensity continues as the Ateneo Golden Knights will take on the match or the battle against the USA Falcons for the semifinals round here in Uragon Basketball League LFL Cup. So makakasama niyo po ulit ako, Rick Puerta, and beside me is Jatser Abante to give you an insight at mga happenings dito sa loob ng ating hardcourt.
Well, kaabang-abang na naman, Rick, yung laban natin ngayong Sabado. It will be the Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights and the USA Falcons dito sa ating second game of the semifinals round. Intense matchup na naman yung matutunghayan natin. Quality, top-tier basketball actions na hatid lamang sa inyo ng Uragon Basketball League and of course, Uragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ayan, talagang makikita natin dito kung itong Ateneo Golden Knights is ipupush itong laban na ito into game number 2 because we know that USA Falcons has the advantage and has this twice to beat advantage on their side, so a little bit of pressure on the side of Golden Knights. Pero if you're on the side of their team, we know na pinaghandaan ito ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights, knowing na marami ng liga na nagkaharap itong dalawang kupunan na ito. So I'm so excited sa ipapakita pa ng dalawang kupunan na ito dito sa ating larong ito. And of course, on the side of USA Falcons, napakaganda ng inalaro. Tinawag nga sila dito na dark horse sa ating liga because of their run para dito sa ating OBL LFL Cup. We know kung paano trinabaho ni Coach Tope alongside with his player na talaga namang nakuha nila yung twice to beat advantage, and now let's see kung patuloy ba nga arangkada dito ang USA Falcons kontra Ateneo Golden Knights. So yan ang aabangan natin dito because in a few minutes magsisimula na ang ating first quarter of this match.
Well, same as the first game sa ating semifinals first game, magtatapat itong dalawang teams natin. At mukhang kumpleto yung dalawang koponan natin for the semifinals match. But I think on the side of the USA Falcons, wala dito. Ang kanilang head coach, Coach Tope Espinosa, while on the side of the Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights, kompleto yung kanilang coaching staff dito. Coach Nuki Sabio and the other assistant coaches, Coach Mark Vasquez and Coach Gab De Vera. Nako, napakagandang laban na naman yung nag-aabang sa atin dahil for sure ay talagang pinaghandaan nila ito, Rick, yung kanilang laban dito sa ating semifinals round. Well, the pressure is on the side of the Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights dahil twice to beat advantage yung hawak ngayon ng ating USI Falcons. If they wanted to have their second appearance here sa ating semifinals, ay kailangang talunin nila itong ating USI Falcons dito sa laban nila ngayong Sabado. And now we are now introducing the first five or the starting lineup for both of these teams as we are about to start the first quarter.
On your screen, pinapakilala na ang first five for both teams. So looking on the first five on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights, same faces. Their starters, we know kung paano maglaro itong Ateneo Golden Knights, and on their previous match, talagang napakaganda ng ginawa nila because natalo nila dito yung JB Hart, knowing na yung JB Hart na ang lamang on the first and second quarter, but on the third and fourth quarter, this Ateneo Golden Knights squad talagang ipinanalo yung play-ins na yon. That's why andito sila ngayon sa semifinals, proving na kaya nilang makuha ang spot on our finals dito sa ating OBL LFL Cup. And on the other side of things, USA Falcons, kumpleto din dito ang player ni Coach Tupe. Andito yung mga key players niya. Si Asibor, Posada, Doloso na talaga namang pinakitaan tayo ng napakagandang basketball action dito sa ating OBL Level Cup. And to know more about the Ateneo Golden Knights side, let's call our courtside reporter, Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong preparations at anong baon ngayon ng Ateneo Golden Knights to win this game?
Thank you, Rick and Jasper. Good evening, Oragons, and to all our basketball fans all around the world. We're watching us live via GNN TV48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We are now on the semi-final game for today. Ateneo Golden Knights versus the USI Falcons. Ako po, si Kyla Kasuya, at ako ang inyong makakasama on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. For their preparation this game against the USI Falcons, for the do-or-die game, according to their coaches, knowing that they are the underdog for this game, the USA has the twice to beat advantage. They focus on scouting report. Pinag-aralan nila ang galaw ng USA Falcons based on their elimination game na kung saan naipanalo nila ito. As per Coach Mark, before the start of the game, they continuously remind the players to always play, not just for themselves, but for the Ateneo community. They're also reminded ng team to play with respect and always be mature inside the court. Will the favor will be an Ateneo? Yan ating dapat tabangan at tutukan only here on GNN Sports TV. For now, balik sa inyo, we can tap.
Thank you so much, Kyla, on that update from the side of the Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights. Napakagandang bakbakan talaga yung matutunghayan natin ngayong hapon dahil pinaghandaan nitong Golden Knights lahat ng galaw, lahat ng performance nitong ating USI Falcons dahil ayun na nga, yung pressure nasa kanila dahil twice to beat advantage yung meron itong ating USI Falcons. Well, they have to double their effort first quarter pa lamang para masecure yung laban na ito for their second appearance dito sa ating semi-finals match. And as we can see, 2-5 ang ating running score. Lamang po dito ang ating USI Falcons. Titingnan natin kung ano yung mga sagot na gagawin nitong ating Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights. And now, it's their ball possession. Plaza magtatawid ngayon ng bola for the USI Falcons. And now, Pulgar masusundutan dito ng bola ni Posada. And now, Doloso. Another point here for the USI Falcons. Abante na kaagad sila dito ng 5 puntos. Now, kailangan na gumawa ng magandang sagot dito ng ating Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights para wag masyadong madagdagan yung lamang dito ng USI Falcons. But no good on that attempt by Doloso. But this time, it's their second chance here, Asibor. Now, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Chen on the side of the USA Falcons. Nandiyan ang ating courtside reporter, Chen. Chen, take it away.
Marhay na pagkabanggi, Rick and Jasper, and of course, sa aming mga Oragon fans, we are now finally on the semifinals sa bakbakan between the USI Falcons and the Ateneo Golden Knights. And as I got a little conversation with jersey number 22, John Michael Doloso, ika niya, para dito sa laro namin, masyado namin pinalish ang defense and play. They are also focused on how to execute the game properly and finish the game strong. Iwasan lang ang turnover and be aggressive but not dirty. Lagi lang nilang ina-aim ay ang manalo at makuha ang ticket patungo sa finals. Kaya naman sikaping tumutok dito lang sa nag-iisang liga ng mga Oragon. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Once again, this is Chen Shaira Nicolas. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Chen, on that update from the side of the USI Falcons. Ayan na nga at napatawag na nga dito ng maagang timeout itong ating USI Falcons courtesy of Coach Jeffrey dahil 1 puntos lang yung lamang dito ng ating USI Falcons. Well, kung matatandaan natin, kung marirecall natin yung mga laban nitong ating USI Falcons, talagang close fight yung ginagawa nila at yung luck nila pagdating sa final pakataas at dun sila nagkaroon ng panalo like 1 puntos na lamang, 2 puntos na lamang, pero may kasama ring galing Rick yung ating USI Falcons.
Ayan, nabanggit mo nga dito, yung kakayahan ng dalawang teams na ito. Itong side ng Ateneo, talagang kahit nalalamangan sila on the first part of this match, talagang on the latter part or sa ending part ng ating laro, doon sila umaarangkada. That's why nakaklatch nila ang ating laro. Let's see kung gano'n ang gagawin ngayon ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. And on the other side of things, USI Falcons, very synchronized when it comes to their game plan dito sa loob ng hardcourt na connection, because we know na magkakasama na ito simula pa lang nang mabuo itong squad ng kanilang team. So, I'm sure papakitaan din tayo ng magandang defense at offense on the side of Falcons. Meanwhile, Del Rosario forcing that one in, and a foul was whistled on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. And a substitution. So Del Rosario stepping on that free throw line for an opportunity to add this lead on their side. Clean basket. One more time for him.
A chance here to lead by 5 points. Itong ating USI Falcons. Now Del Rosario, basket para sa kanyang second free throw. Now Juan Aureliano magtatawid ngayon ng bola for the Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights. Let's take a look here. Juan Aureliano. Now jersey number 16. No good on that triple. And now Del Rosario to Asibor. Napakaraming bantay dito. Talagang nasa baba na lahat. Doloso, no good on that triple. Mon Aureliano once again securing that defensive rebound on the side of the Golden Knights. Fulgar. Basket count naman dito for Fulgar, but a review. Magkakaroon tayo dito ng officials replay dahil parang nakitaan dito ng foul itong si Del Rosario. Well, of course, nandiyan ang ating technical team, Oragon
Yes.
Sports TV, for that review. Kung ano nga ba talaga, Rick, yung nangyari doon. As we are approaching the midway of the first quarter, low scoring tayo. Shoutout tayo dito sa napakapoging cameraman ng GNN TV 48 Naga, Brian San Antonio. And of course, yung iba pang nagtatrabaho dito para sa atin, Rick.
Yan, syempre sa ating mga nanunood dito na live sa loob ng NCF Covered Court, we have Cristina Valenzuela, we have Sofia Recto. Thank you so much and happy watching. So let's wait on the decisions of our officials upon reviewing that last sequence. Meanwhile, pasalamatan natin, Jasper, and ating mga sponsors. We have the Eleville Tours Philippines Incorporated, Safegas, Delegold Philippines, Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated, MNL Kingpin, Mariano Optical, Market Aesthetics and Laser Clinic, 3N Bakery, TRDV and Construction Supply, Gilmar Casa de Descanso, Arco Diez, Naga College Foundation, Nagayan Travel and Tours, Tigers Cafe, Bonnie and Piggy Distributors, Bicol Concrete Hollow Blocks, and Nolcas Construction and Supply. Thank you so much po for your overwhelming support dito sa ating liga.
And that's it. Basket count on that last sequence. At matatawagan doon ng pushing foul itong si Del Rosario on the side of the USA Falcons. And this time, Jolark Asibor naman yung matatawagan on the side of the USA Falcons. Tatlong foul na kaagad yung nagagawa nila dito sa ating first quarter. Well, they have to take care because penalty situation yung naghihintay sa kanila, and that will be a very good opportunity pagdating dito sa ating Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights. And Fulgar getting that second free throw, and now it's the ball possession of the USA Falcons. Jolark Asibor ang magtatawid ngayon dito ng bola. I mean, Burse. And now, Ceruelos on the outside. Ano kayang gagawin dito? Burse, walang pag-alinlangan doon sa 3 points na yon. Grabe. That 3 points is brought to us by Gelmar Casa de Descanso. Grabe naman yon. 5 puntos kaagad yung nailamang dito ng ating USI Falcons. Pero makakakuha dito ng 3 free throw itong si jersey number 10 of the Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights. Magandang opportunity naman ito para makabawi dun sa 3 points na ginawa ni Burse on the side of the USI Falcons.
And now, Abrasaldo successful on that first attempt. So yun na nga, sunod-sunod na unforced error ang nagawa dito on the side of USI Falcons, which is very crucial because nasa unang quarter pa lamang tayo. They really need to lessen that errors for them to get their lead para dito sa ating laro. And on the other side of things, Ateneo Golden Knights enjoying this moment. Those errors talaga namang tinetake advantage dito ng kanilang kupunan para paunti-unting makadikit dito sa ating scoreboard. 14-12 is our score. 2 puntos lamang dito ang hinahabol ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Ravalo, heavily guarded by Plaza, passing it to Burse, and foul was whistled para dito kay Abrasaldo. And now, Burse stepping on that free throw line for an opportunity and a couple of substitution on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights to make sure na hindi lalayo dito ang score ng USI sa kanilang score. 14-12 everyone.
Now, Burse for his 2 free throws. Basket for that first free throw by Burse, extending their lead here to 3 points and a chance to extend to 16 yung kanilang score, and that will be a 4-point lead ng ating USA Falcons. And a quick shout out here to Ethan James and Aaron James Boquiron. Now, Doloso, grabe! What a lucky bounce here for Doloso. Brought to us by Gelmar Casa de Descanso. Napakaswerte naman nun. Now, jersey number 7 of the Golden Knights. No good on that shot. And this time, USI Falcons, Ceruelos to Doloso. Let's see. 3-pointer once again, no good. And almost saving that ball is on the corner. Jersey number 5, Ceruelos. But that will be a turnover here for the Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights.
Ayan, chance on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights to break the momentum na hawak ngayon ng USA Falcons. Those outside shooting was on point para dito sa USA Falcons. That's why looking at our score, 18-12, abante ang kanilang kupunan. And wow, what a great hustle para dito kay Mon Arellano, one of the key player on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights, getting 2 points at samahan pa yan dito ng free throw opportunity. Ayan nga, the ever-supportive Ateneo community with their taas kamay gesture. Grabe talaga dito, Jasper, ang suporta ng Ateneo Golden Knights para sa araw na ito. So, a confidence booster para sa kanilang kupunan.
Now, USA Falcons, Burse magtatawid ngayon ng bola. Ravalo on the outside, swings it to Ceruelos. Now, heavily guarded here by Fulgar. Still on the outside, mukhang titira na naman ang tres dito. Ceruelos, step back for 2, no good. And the ball will go on the side of the Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights. 2 minutes and 54 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter at penalty situation na nga itong ating USA Falcons, kaya kailangan nilang mag-ingat dito. Now, jersey number 23 on the outside, Mac Tripolka Swigs it on the corner. Didiretso naman Fulgar. Pero matatawagan dito ng foul itong si jersey number 13 of the USI Falcons. Ayun na nga, penalty situation itong ating USI Falcons. Kaya mako-convert yung mga fouls nila into opportunities nitong ating Golden Knights para makapuntos dito. Rodney Fulgar for his 2 free throws. Let's see if he can get this. That first free throw by Rodney Fulgar is good. Once again, Fulgar for his second free throw. No good. And a defensive rebound here by jersey number 33. And now, Ceruelos back to Burse. Now Ravalo for 3. No good. Talagang tres yung ginagawa nitong ating USI Falcons. Well, they have to work here because 2 points na lang yung kailangang agawin dito nitong ating Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights. Jersey number 14. And now back to Polka. No good. Kahit may bounce, hindi kinaya. Now Ravalo stops for 3 but Ceruelos. Lucky bounce talaga, Rick, yung nangyayari dito sa USI Falcons. Napakaganda. May kasamang swerte. Now let's see kung hanggang saan yung swerte nitong ating USI Falcons. Mac Tripolka on the outside. What an alley-oop play here to jersey number 7. Napakagandang assist naman yan. Brought to us by Mariano Optical.
So it's Madridano on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights on that last play. But, wow! 3 points para dito kay Burse. Kanina pa ito si Burse. Jasper on the side of USI Falcons. And the 3-pointers is brought to us by Gilmar de Descanso. Wow! Napakaganda ng palitan dito ng puntos for these both teams. They are prepared para sa araw na ito.
54 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter at 3 puntos lamang yung lamang dito ng ating USI Falcons. Napakahigpit ng laban natin, Rick. Hindi rin talaga pumapayag itong ating Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights na makalayo ng masyado or napakalayo itong ating USI Falcons. Well, they have to work here because they have to work for their second appearance dito sa ating semifinals round. And that will be a foul and a 2 free throws. Napakagandang opportunity ito for the Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights to cut off the lead of the Falcons to a point. Let's see. Jersey number 23. Good for his first free throw. With the Ateneo community taas kamay. Once again, jersey number 23 for his second free throw. A chance here. And that's good. Isang puntos na lamang yung kailangan nilang habulin dito. And a chance to have a change of favor dito sa ating first quarter. Now Ravalo to jersey number 33. Anong gagawin nila dito? Ravalo. 30 seconds here. Now, jersey number 5, Ceruelos to Burse. Almost getting the triple. And now jersey number 7 to 14. A good ball rotation here. Beltran. Bang! 3 points. Grabe. Change of favor pa nga yung natunghayan natin bago natin tapusin yung first quarter. At wala namang nangyari dun sa sagot na ginawa nitong si Ravalo on the side of the USI Falcons. 2-point lead ng ating Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights dito sa ating first quarter. Diyan lamang po kayo dahil magbabalik po kami for a short commercial break brought to us by 3N Bakery only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
May hirap at sakripisyo, ngunit sa dulo nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo. Sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang magkakatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang
And we are back here at the Naga College Foundation covered court for the second quarter of action. Lamang po ng 2 puntos itong ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. No good on that fadeaway shot by Beltran. And this time, Doloso to Posada naman yung gagawa dito ng diskarte. Now, samahan pa ni Locke. Di diretso, pull-up jumper. No good here for the USA Falcons. And Mac Tripolka for that defensive rebound. Muntik pang masundot dito ni Posada. Now, jersey number 7 to Mac Tripolka. Let's see. Grabe. Nandun lang pala sa ilalim. Itong si jersey number 23 nakaabang sa bola para gumawa ng puntos. Patuloy na pag-arangkada. 4 na puntos ang lamang dito ng ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Anong sagot ang gagawin dito ng ating USA Falcons? Del Rosario, Tulok. Now Quijano, maraming bantay dito. Hindi kakayanin pero 2 free throws naman yung makukuha dito ni Quijano on the side of the USI Falcons. And of course, shout out here to our sponsors. We have Elevable Tours Philippines Incorporated, Safe Gas, Adel Gold Philippines, Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated, MNL Kingpin, Market Aesthetics and Laser Clinic, 3N Bakery, TRDF and Construction Supply, Gilmar Casa de Descanso, Arco Diaz and the Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Simula't sa simula hanggang ngayon dito sa ating Oragon Basketball League Level Cup Season 1. Now gonna that triple, and this time Posada securing that defensive rebound, and what a connection here to Del Rosario, and that assist is brought to us by Mariano Optical. Napakagandang performance for both of these teams. Now, Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights almost losing that ball. Napakagandang ball rotation yung ginagawa nila dito. But no good on that attempt by jersey number 14. And now, USI Falcons. Doloso nasa labas ngayon for 3. No good. Palitan lang. Pero nadukot dito ni Locke. And 2 points for the USI Falcons. Ano kaya yung gagawin dito ng USA Falcons? Nandiyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Chen to give us an update. Chen, take it away.
Maraming salamat Rick and Jasper. Well, unang quarter pa lang ay ramdam ko na ang aksyon at tensyon sa pagitan ng dalawang kupunan. Hindi man nagkakalayo ang score, ngunit patuloy pa rin ipinapakita ng Falcons na they are prepared dahil nagsisimula pa lamang ang laro. Their preparation is already proven and tested by showing their skills and talent para dito sa ating first half of the game. Kaya naman para sa kanilang adjustment, they have to focus on teamwork, mag-communicate sa loob ng hardcourt and provide the biggest defense that they can show into this game. Yan lamang ang update. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Shannon, that update from the side of the USI Falcons. Ayun na nga, Abante na ulit itong ating USI Falcons ng 2 puntos. A change of favor for the second quarter. Now, anong gagawing sagot dito ng ating Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights? Jersey number 23. Let's see. Dahil masusundot yan ni Posada. And Posada, masasabayan dito ng foul ni Plaza. 2 free throws yung makukuha dito ni Posada. Grabe. Titingnan natin kung magdidire-diretso na itong ating USA Falcons sa pag-abante dahil nasungkit na uli nila yung momentum.
Great basket para dito kay Posada to add their score here, 30-27. One more time for him. Now, Ateneo Golden Knights ang may hawak ng bola. Fulgar. No good on that attempt. And
Now, Keano to lock. Let's see if what will they do here. Posada. Grabe, napakahigpit ng depensa. Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights. Posada. No good on that pull-up jumper. Now let's see. Golden Knights. Christopher Plaza to Rodney Fulgar. And now, still no good for the Golden Knights. Mon Aureliano. 2 points here, and this time let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Kyla on the side of the Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights. Kyla, anong balita natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Jasper. We are now on the second quarter of this matchup. Nakalamang man ang USA Falcons during the first 5 minutes of the first quarter dahil sa pinapakitang aggressiveness nila that the Golden Knights did their very best para humabol at makabawi and ending the quarter na nasa kanila ang kalamangan. During the huddle, they are reminded to stay on their composure, paganahin ang team chemistry at team effort because this is a very crucial game. Kailangan nila itong maipanalo para magkaroon ng Game 2 ang semifinals, knowing that the USA Falcons has the twice advantage. They are reminded with their lapses that they need to lessen and the best offense and defense they can do to get the advantage. I'm going to have it for now sa Golden Knights. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Jasper.
Thank you so much, Kyla, on that update from the side of the Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights. Kailangan talagang ipanalo nitong ating Golden Knights itong laban nila ngayon kontra sa USI Falcons dahil alam natin na may twice to beat advantage itong ating USI Falcons. Well, if they did not do this game, ekis na sila sa ating Oragon Basketball League Level Cup Season 1. Kaya naman kitang-kita natin yung determinasyon nitong ating Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights na makabawi, makuha again yung change of favor. Malapit na sila dahil 1 puntos na lamang yung kailangan nilang idikit dito. Now, Mon Aureliano, let's see. Ay, yun na nga. Deadlock tayo ngayon, Rick, sa 31 points. So, let's see if can the Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights get this change of favor once again for the second quarter.
we are all tied up at 31. What a great run para dito sa Golden Knights squad. Now, what would be the answer on the side of USA Falcons after that great point conversion on the side of their opponent? 3 more seconds to shoot. What a great block, great defense para dito kay Mon Aureliano. And now, forcing this one, passing it to Puerta, and successful on that last attempt. 33-31 is our score. The table has turned and a timeout was called on the side of USA Falcons to clear things up. Wow, what a great chase para dito sa Golden Knights. And of course, Mon Aureliano leading the team para dito sa kanilang kupunan. Napakaganda ng ipinapakita dito. Depensa, opensa, talagang maaasahan itong si Mon. And now, on your screen, USA Falcons, ano ang gagawin dito? 4 minutes and 44 seconds remaining para dito sa ating first half. At nakuha na nga dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights ang kalamangan. So let's see after this time out kung makakapag-adjust ba dito, may babaguhin ba dito itong USI Falcons to get back their groove, their momentum, and the points on their side. Ayan, back to the ball game.
And that timeout has been brought to us by Nolcast Construction and Supply. So let's see kung ano yung gagawin dito ng ating USI Falcons. Anong adjustment kaya yung gagawin nila dito? Now, Ciruelos to jersey number 25, Del Rosario. And now Toloso on the outside. Well guarded here by Plaza. Napakahigpit ng depensa na ngayon itong ating Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights. Now Del Rosario, diretso dito. Pull-up jumper was good on the side of the USA Falcons. Pantay na ulit. Deadlock na ulit tayo ngayon sa 33 points. Well, titingnan natin kung masusungkit ulit dito ng ating USA Falcons yung change of favor. Let's see on this momentum. Another chance here. Del Rosario, in and out ball on that triple. Sayang yon, Rick. Let's see dito sa kanilang chance. Again, offensive naman masyado itong si Doloso on the side of the USI Falcons. 3 minutes and 50 seconds remaining dito sa ating second quarter. Dikit na dikit, Rick. Parang may glue.
Ayan, talagang makikita natin dito yung intensity ng laro. At kitang-kita sa pinapakita dito ng players kung ano ang galaw sa loob. And now, Puerta will try, unsuccessful. And now, Del Rosario naman, forcing that one. Walang sumabay pero hindi pumasok yung attempt na yon. And Doloso again, back-to-back para sa kanya. Again, ito ang kailangan ditong iwasan ng ating USA Falcons. Their error, their fouls. Because every fouls, very crucial sa ganitong moments inside the court. And now Plaza on that sideline inbound. Passing it to his teammate, Fulgar, the big man, reaching that net on the side of their team.
Now, Ciruelos to Del Rosario on the outside. Nagdalawang isip pa doon kung ititira. Baita ngayon ang gawa ng aksyon. No good. Nagkagawa ito. But Mona Aureliano getting that ball at makukuha agad yan itong si Jersey na and still mas mabilis dumukot ng bola itong ating USI Falcons. Lock. Basket naman dito para sa USI Falcons. Now,
Ateneo basketball. Beltran to inbound. 37 all. Wow. Another deadlock of the match. And now, Monay passing it to Puerta. Domingo heavily guarded here. Muntik pang magawan but Beltran with that attempt unsuccessful. Andon si Trepulca for that second chance points. Wow.
Mukhang nagkakainitin na tayo
Yes.
dito, Rick. Del Rosario and Domingo. Mukhang matatawagan dito. Grabe, napakahigpit ng laban, napakainit ng laban. So our officials will be having a replay here. But on that last sequence, Del Rosario and Domingo yung matatawagan dito.
Ayan, Jasper. A minute and 14 seconds remaining for this first half. And the players and this match was in ang kanilang effort, ang kanilang practice and game plan to get a ticket on our finals. Let's wait on our officials upon reviewing that last sequence. Ayan, mag-shoutout naman tayo, Jasper, sa ating mga live viewers. Shoutout dito kay Sir Ian Jake Olazo, Chen Shaira Nicolas, Ethan Boqueron, Irene Tosok, Juvie at Dao Brian. Thank you so much and happy watching. Ayan, let's see kung sino ang matatawagan ng foul after that last sequence. Kasi nakita natin, hindi natin nakita, Jasper, yung parang iringan dito ng dalawang kupunan. So let's wait on our officials kung sino ang matatawagan ng foul dito sa ating larong ito. Now, 39-37, hindi nagkakalayo ang ating score.
Double foul yung itatawag
Yes.
dito sa ating players. Jersey number 33, Baita of the USI Falcons, and jersey number 61, Domingo naman on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Pero lamang dito ngayon, Rick, ng 2 puntos itong ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Let's see. Lock. Now, Del Rosario on the outside. Gumagawa dito ng diskarte. Burse. No good for that attempt by the USI Falcons. Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Anong gagawin dito? Mac Tripolka. Domingo. Now to jersey number 9. Domingo. For that pull-up jumper. Angat na sila dito, Rick, ng 4 na
Yes.
puntos. So let's see kung anong bawi yung gagawin dito ng ating USI Falcons as we are about to end the second quarter with 28 remaining on the game clock. Now, Baita. Grabe, bantay sarado dito ni Beltran.
Kitang-kita natin dito yung depensa on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights, forcing Baita to commit a shoveling violation. Wow, Ateneo Golden Knights. That defense on point para dito sa latter part ng ating second quarter. 14 seconds remaining para dito sa pangalawang quarter na ito, and a timeout was called on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Wow, 41-37. This time, Ateneo Golden Knights naman ang ayaw magpahabol dito sa ating laro. So let's see kung magiging consistent ba dito ang players ni Coach Nuki. After this time out, magkakaroon ba sila ng magandang panapos dito sa ating pangalawang quarter, or will the USI Falcons get their rhythm at makakuha ulit dito ng sunod-sunod na momentum para sa side ng kanilang kupunan? So ayan, hintayin natin after this time out kung kanino mapupunta ang point conversion. And of course, this league is not possible without our dearest sponsors. Thank you so much, Hardshed Hardware and Construction Supplies, Machichu Boneless Fried Chicken, 3N Bakery, M&L Kingpin, Mariano Optical, and Safe Gasoline. Thank you so much for your overwhelming support.
Now, Golden Knights, jersey number 14, Tumak Trepolka. Anong gagawin nila dito? A long pass here. Pull-up jumper. And an out ball there. And a foul. But it's the end of our second quarter. Abante po dito ng 4 na puntos itong ating Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights. And dyan lamang po kayo dahil magbabalik po kami for a short halftime break brought to us by Emerald Kingpin. Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
So completely yours.
Welcome to the main event. 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 Let's go. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Something that you won't forget. Welcome to the main event. You ain't seen nothing yet. Let's go.
It's DJ Rolling.
Son, you know why you the greatest alive. Fuck rap, bustin' like an addict with a semi-automatic. Who'da had it any ready for anybody to buck back. Hold on, catch a vibe, ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. Even suicide, no fuck that. Bobby feeling villainous, he killing us. I'm coming for your man and his lady, and even a baby. I'm feeling like I'm chicken, Slim Shady with rabies. I'm coming at the mouth, ain't nobody taking me out. Every single rapper in the industry, yeah, they know what I'm about. And I dare you to test me, cause not a single one of you motherfuckers impress me. And maybe that's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I'm full of innovation. And I'm tired of bombing. It's high school, he's cool, he's not rap shit. Can a single one of you motherfuckers even rap shit? This that I got.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies,
For the things I learned today.
College of Arts and Sciences,
My school is the best foundation to become what we
College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies the future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Ano, Moraga? Catch Uragon Basketball League on Uragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
May hirap at sakripisyo, ngunit sa dulo nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo. Sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang magkakatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, ang logo. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi natin bibig. Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta. Pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makakatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi nating bitbit.
And we are back here at the NCF covered court for the third quarter of action. Abante po ng 4 na puntos itong ating Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights kontra dito sa ating USI Falcons semifinals match. Now let's see, because it's the ball possession of the Golden Knights. Dagdagan pa yan ng 2 puntos courtesy of jersey number 26. Grabe. Abante na sila dito ng 6 na puntos. Now, no good on that attempt naman by Joler Casibor of the USI Falcons. Kailangan na nilang doblehin yung effort nila dito dahil baka makalayo Rick itong ating Golden Knights. Now, almost committing a backward violation, but there is jersey number 25 or 26 for that save, and Plaza for that pull-up jumper. Still no good. Hirap itong ating Golden Knights sa sa depensa itong ating USI Falcons.
And now, 43-37. What a great game on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights for turning the tables on their side. And now, USA Falcons on the offense. Fires for 3. Unsuccessful si Asibor. And now, Valle to Mon. And now Plaza to Madridano. And what a connection on that last sequence. Another 2 points was added on their side. Nasa third quarter na tayo and still Ateneo Golden Knights nagpapakitang gilas para dito sa ating match na ito. And to hear an update on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights, let's call our courtside reporter Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong balita sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights?
Thank you, Rick and Jasper. We are now on the third quarter of this matchup. We can see the eagerness of the two teams to really get this game. Dikit nga ang laban, pero lamang ang Ateneo Golden Knights dito. And for the Ateneo Golden Knights, they are reminded to double their effort, continue the aggressiveness and the good offense and defense they've shown during the first half of the game. Consistency is the very key to maintain their composure.
Thank you so much, Kyla, on that update from the side of the Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights. Performance naman yung bawi dito ng Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights. Abante sila dito ng 8 puntos. Nahihirapan namang bumawi itong ating USA Falcons. Mahigpit na depensa ang pinapakita nila dito. Now, pagsundot from Plaza, but a save here from Doloso, and now Posada. No gonna that triple. This time, Ateneo de Golden Knights. Ateneo Golden Knights. Let's see. Jersey number 26 swings it to Plaza. And now, Rodney Fulgar. And in out ball. Dun sa last sequence na yon.
And now Jasper, 6 minutes and 32 seconds remaining for this third quarter, and still Ateneo Golden Knights ang may hawak ng lead para dito sa ating larong ito. Now Fulgar on that free throw line to add their 8-point lead para dito sa ating pangatlong quarter.
And a quick shoutout muna tayo dito kay Sir Gerald Silot, watching live from Pacol. And also Casey Anchoquia, happy viewing po sa inyong lahat. Now Rodney Fulgar for his second free throw. Still abante dito. Itong ating Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights. Fulgar good on his second free throw. And now USA Falcons, what will they do here? Posada to Asibor. Now, on the outside, gagawa ng diskarte. Del Rosario. Basket plus a foul. And a 3-point play opportunity here for Del Rosario. And this time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Chen on the side of the USA Falcons. Chen, anong update natin dyan?
Well, thank you, Rick and Jasper. We are now on the second half of the game at nakatutok pa rin kayo sa bakbakang nagpapakita ng tibay at galing sa larangan ng basketball na kung saan ay naglalaban para sa spot patungo sa finals. The USA Falcons need to double their effort. Gawing seryoso ang laban na ito dahil lamang nga ang Golden Knights, they are ahead a while ago, kaya kinakailangan nilang doblehin ang effort para makabawi for this quarter. May natitira pang 2 quarter, kaya dapat mas sipagan and play as a team para makuha nilang muli ang kalamangan para dito sa second half of the game. Yan lamang ang update. Balik sa inyo.
And thank you so much, Shan, for that update. So yun nga, they need to double their effort because again, Ateneo Golden Knights is creating momentum para dito sa ating larong ito. Medyo nakuha na dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights yung dapat gawin to successfully overtake the lead para dito sa ating pangatlong quarter. So, the question on the side of USA Falcons is paano makaka-recover dito at ano ang magiging sagot ng kanilang kupunan para maibalik sa kanila yung kalamangang hawak nila on that first and second quarter of this match. So, yan ang aabangan natin dito sa natitirang 5 minutes and 43 seconds ng ating third quarter, kung itong USA Falcons ba is magkakaroon naman ng sunod-sunod na point conversion. And couple of substitution on the side of ADNU. Ipapasok dito si Puerta and Monay. So let's see kung magkakaroon ba dito ng instant impact itong mga bagong pasok ni Coach Nuki. And on the other side of things, USA Falcons, wala pa lang ngayon Jasper si Coach Tope on the side of their team. So let's see kung maipapanalo nila itong ating game even without their head coach. Now Ateneo Golden Knights on the offense. Fulgar to Mon Arellano for the 3-pointers, and napakalinis nung 3 points na yon ni Mon. And that 3-pointers is brought to us by Gilmar Casa de Descanso.
Now USA Falcons, Asibor to Burse to Doloso, a good ball rotation now to Quijano. Now Del Rosario, maraming bantay pero kinalabaw ni Del Rosario But Mon Aureliano getting that defensive rebound, but no good on that 3-pointer. And now Burse, Asibor for 3. No good. Mukhang hindi na gumagana yung lucky bounce dito. Nitong si Asibor for the USI Falcons. And he held both situation here.
Hindi pa natin, Jasper, nakikita dito yung napaka gagandang 3-pointers nitong si Doloso and Asibor na talaga namang deadly duo na tinatawag dito sa side ng USI Falcons. So, abangan natin kung magkakaroon ba sila ng magandang outside shooting as the game progresses. And on the other side of things, Mon Arellano, napakaganda ng kanyang outside shooting. Very well equipped player on the side of ADNU Golden Knights. Simula noong ating elimination round up until this semifinals round, talagang itong Simon very consistent on his play. Kitang-kita natin dito na talagang isa siya sa mga gumagawa ng paraan dito na magkaroon ng puntos ang Ateneo Golden Knights. Meanwhile, USI Falcons successful on that great defense. Asibor to his teammate. Wala pa din.
Grabe. Napakahigpit ng defense ang nakikita natin ngayon on the side of the Ateneo Dignaga Golden Knights. 9-point lead yung hawak nila ngayon at hirap na hirap makabawi itong ating USI Falcons. Ano pa kaya yung gagawin ditong padagdag ng ating Ateneo Dignaga Golden Knights? Now, USI Falcons basketball jersey number 5, Ceruelos for that baseline inbound. Doloso to Asibor. Now, Ateneo Dignaga Golden Knights. Nasundot na dito yung bola. Jersey number 14. On the outside, Mac Tripolka. No good on that connection to Domingo. Magandang play sana yun, Rick.
Yes.
Pero hindi gumana. Now, USI Falcons. Jolar Asibor. Ceruelos. Now to Baita. Now Baita. Well guarded by Domingo. At makakakuha nga dito ng foul itong si Domingo. And 2 free throws naman para dito kay Baita. 52-43. Running score for our third quarter with 3 minutes and 32 seconds remaining. Once again, shoutout ulit tayo dito sa ating live viewers na nakatutok sa ating Uragon Sports TV Facebook Live. We have JC Peralta, Gerald Silot, Sir Dexter Tuy, and Ma'am Alma Mayores, Hans Tiope, and Joy Doloso. Happy viewing po sa inyong lahat.
And now, Ateneo basketball. Puerta to Domingo with that mid-range jumper. No good. Burse. The ball will stay on the side of their team. Asibor to inbound. Passing it to Burse. 7 points ang kailangang trabahuhin dito on the side of USI Falcons. Burse unsuccessful on that attempt. And the ball possession will go on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights after that sequence. Puerta to inbound. Passing it to Monay. Tripulka. Napalakas yung pasang yon. That's why USI Falcons ang may hawak ng bola, aiming for a point and successful. 2 points will be added on their side. Ayan, kailangan na ulit dito ng USI Falcons yung magaganda at sure na opensa for them to slowly cut the lead na hawak ng Golden Knights.
Mukhang kayang maidikit, Rick, nitong ating USI Falcons yung kanilang puntos dito. Pero on that last shot by Beltran, talagang pinahihirapan nila itong ating USI Falcons na makuha or masungkit ulit yung change of favor natin dito sa ating third quarter. Now Burse, what will they do here? Let's see. dahil matatawagan dyan ng stepping on the line itong ating USA Falcons. And now it's the ball possession of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights with Mac Tripolka for that sideline inbound. Now, last 2 minutes for our third quarter. Let's see. Jersey number 19, Mac Tripolka to Beltran. No good on that shot. And here comes jersey number 21. No good on that follow-up shot. But offensive rebound naman yung itatawag dito. I mean, pushing foul for Locke on the side of the USI Falcons. A minute and 47 seconds remaining. 54 to 47, 7-point lead ng ating Golden Knights. Mac Tripolka, maraming bantay. Same ball possession pa rin dito sa ating Golden Knights.
Ayan. Ateneo basketball. Tripolka to inbound. With 12 seconds to shoot. 3-point attempt. No good. Nakasibor. Itatawid ang bola sa side ng Falcons. They really need the point conversion at this moment. Locke. Passing it to his teammate. Doloso. No good. Pero andun si Locke. Wala pa din. And Mac Tripolka secures that one. Pero miscommunication on that last play. Very crucial. Napakaganda sana, Jasper, on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Pero yun nga, miscommunication between the players of their team. And a timeout was called on the side of USA Falcons. A minute and 2 seconds remaining. 54-47 is our score. And still, Ateneo ayaw padikitin ang USA Falcons sa kanilang score. Let's see after this timeout kung ano yung magiging adjustment for these both teams to end this third quarter with a great momentum on their sides.
And that timeout is brought to us by NoCast Construction and Supply. Let's see kung ano yung magiging adjustments dito nitong dalawang teams na ito dahil malapit na nating isara yung ating third quarter. A minute and 2 seconds and a 7-point lead nitong ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Let's see if can the Ateneo de Naga make a second appearance dito sa ating semifinals or tutuluyan na itong ating USA Falcons. Still anybody's ball game. Now Joel Arcasibor for the USA Falcons. Locke. Let's see. Napakaigpit naman ang depensa dito ng ating Golden Knights. Pero ayun na si Asibor. Lalampas pa sa linya. And a turnover here for the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Now, jersey number 14, hindi pa pinupulot ang bola. Now, Mac Tripolka to Beltran. Now, Beltran, jersey number 10 pala yung nag-assist kay Beltran. And that assist is brought to us by Mariano Optical. Patuloy na paglamang nitong ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights as we are about to end the third quarter. 20 seconds remaining on the game clock. But Doloso sobra para dyan sa 3-pointer na iyan. And the same ball possession pa nga dito para sa ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. USA Falcons with 6 seconds on the shot clock and 16 seconds naman doon sa ating game clock. Let's see. Now, Asibor. Grabe yung depensa. Locke for 3. No good on that shot but Doloso. May foul na ngayon yung pag-follow up shot dito ni Doloso. 2 free throws here for Doloso and a good opportunity for the USA Falcons. 56-47. A chance here to lessen the lead of the Golden Knights to 7 points. No good on that first shot by Doloso. Now let's see once again. Basket naman para sa pangalawang free throw nitong si Doloso on the side of the USA Falcons.
Now, Adnu. Anong gagawin with this 1 second? That's the end of our third quarter. 56-48 is our score, and still Ateneo Golden Knights ang may hawak ng lead. We will be right back for our fourth and final quarter after this short commercial break.
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Uragon Basketball League on Uragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
May hirap at sakripisyo, ngunit sa dulo nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay.
And we are back here sa loob ng ANSIAF covered court sa pagpapatuloy ng bakbakang Ateneo Golden Knights versus USI Falcons. Nasa last quarter na po tayo ng ating match. So this is the last push for these both teams to win this. So let's see kung kanino mapupunta ang magandang kapalaran. And now Plaza, may hawak ng bola. Back-to-back great steal for both teams. Now, Posada, itatawid ang bola on the side of their team with that one-hand layup, no good. Pero andon si jersey number 8, Quijano, on the side of their team for that second chance point. At samahan pa yan ng foul on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights.
3-point play opportunity naman dito para kay Quijano of the USA Falcons. Ito na Rick yung sinasabi natin. Fourth and final quarter na, 6 na puntos na lamang ng ating Ateneo din ng Golden Knights. But bilog ang bola at hindi imposible para sa USA Falcons na maipanalo yung ating fourth and final quarter. And as we can see, mukhang napalakas yung tama nitong si Posada.
Bad landing para dito kay Posada. Let's hope na it's not that serious para dito kay Posada.
And our officials will be having a replay kung ano ba yung nangyari doon. But on that last sequence, Simon Aureliano yung kasabay dito ni Posada nung bumagsak siya. So we'll see. Dahil nandiyan na ang ating mga officials that review. And of course, this event will not be possible without our sponsors. You have KD Sportswear, Think Pro Incorporated, Quon Park, Skydeck Advertising, Homepit, Pin Cafe, AET Ads, Taylor Swift, Loud Siruma, Chicken Run, Chef Buster Cuisine, Pearl Aesthetic, Wellness and Beauty Center Naga, Ako Bicol Party List, Anjena Trading, Surge Fitness Lifestyle, and Angels Pizza. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa ating mga sponsors na talagang nakasuporta sa atin, Rek, simula ng ating Uragon Basketball League Level Cup Season 1 up until dito sa ating semifinals and of course hanggang sa ating paparating na finals. And now, our officials is now discussing kung ano yung pwede nilang itawag dito dahil mukhang hirap pang bumuhat itong si Posada rather. So we'll see if Posada can still play.
Now, Posada. Magkakaroon dito ng free throw shots itong si Posada on the side of Falcons. Ayun, 56-50, hindi pa ito malayo. So, anything can happen para dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. So, we cannot conclude yet kung kanino mapupunta ang panalo this evening. And yun nga, nabanggit mo kanina, bilog ang bola. So, marami pang pwedeng mangyari dito sa ating fourth quarter. Mahaba-haba pa itong 9 minutes and 13 seconds sa ating game clock. And now, Posada will try. No good on that first attempt. Let's see on his second attempt kung makakadagdag ba dito sa kanilang score. Clean basket on that last shot para dito kay Posada. And now, Plaza itatawid ang bola para dito sa side ng ADNU. And substitution, Burse in exchange of Posada. And to hear an update sa side ng USA Falcons, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter. Chen, anong balita dyan?
Maraming salamat, Rick and Jasper. We are now on the fourth last quarter of the game at lamang pa rin ang laban ng kabilang kupunan. Kaya naman the USA Falcons, they need to keep communicating, double their effort and push it harder. Ibibigay at ilalaban nga nila ang kanilang all-out na galing para dito sa last quarter of the game. They are going to tighten their defense because defense is the best of kaya ng USA Falcons ang ticket patungo sa finals. We will see ka naman manatiling nakatutok dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Yan lamang, balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Shan, for that update on the side of the USA Falcons. Ay na nga, Rick, yung sinasabi natin. Ang lapit na naman lang ng lamang nitong ating USA Falcons. ang ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. 3 puntos. Walang imposible para dito sa ating USA Falcons. And a very crucial error here by Fulgar of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights, making a turnover here for the USA Falcons. A chance na maka-deadlock, makapantay, pero double team na yung ginawa nitong Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. At matatawagan na nga dito ng foul itong ating Golden Knights. Plaza. Grabe. Dikit na dikit ang laban, Rick. 8 minutes and 21 seconds remaining. Pero 3 puntos lang yung kailangang habulin dito ng USA Falcons. Now, Del Rosario to Asibor, still on the outside. Pero makukuha dito ang bola. Back-to-back steal for both of these teams. Quijano, masasabayan pa. Grabe naman yun, Rick.
Wow! Napakagandang bawi on that last point conversion on the side of Falcons, courtesy of Quijano. Wow! Sama dito ng foul on the side of ADNU Golden Knights. Nabura na yung iniingatang 8 points dito nitong Ateneo Golden Knights. And speaking of Ateneo, to hear more about their team, let's call our courtside reporter, Kyla. Hi, Kyla. Take it away.
Thank you, Rick and Jasper. We are now on the fourth quarter of this matchup. And we are now down to the last quarter of this game at patuloy nga ang pag-arangkada ng Ateneo Golden Knights to really get this game at magkaroon ng second game, ang semi-final round And for the last quarter, the coaches said and reminded them to continue doing their individual role inside the court. And of course, continue team chemistry dahil ito ang pinaka-importante ngayong huling quarter ng laban na ito. Kaunting tiyaga na lang at doble effort na makukuha din nila ang inaasam nilang panalo for this game. There's no room for complacency. They need to be all out for the last quarter of the game. And munang update sa inyo ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Jasper.
Thank you so much, Kyla, on that update from the side of the Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights. Dikit na dikit ang laban dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. Still anybody's ball game for this game. Grabe. Still USI Falcons, Asibor, still no good, but out of bounds as the USI Falcons will take that same ball possession.
And now, Ateneo Golden Knights on the offense as Mac Tripulka to inbound this ball. 56-55, isang puntos na kalamang hawak nitong Ateneo. Monay, Fulgar, and now Tripulka. Beltran on that corner for 3 at naipasok pa nga. 3 points was good. And now, ano ang gagawing pagbawi dito nitong USA Falcons after that beautiful shot coming from Beltran? Doloso to Burse. And now Quijano heavily guarded here. Asibor with 4 seconds to shoot. And shot clock violation was called on the side of USA Falcons. And now, Ateneo ulit ang may hawak ng bola at may chance ang madagdagan ang kanilang kalamangang hawak ngayong gabing ito.
Now, USA Falcons. Let's see. No good on that triple. And now, Rodney Fulgar securing that defensive rebound. 4 na puntos yung kailangan nilang habulin dito. Now, Beltran. Pull-up jumper, no good. And Doloso para naman sa defensive rebound ng USA Falcons. Asibor. Grabe yung bakbakan nitong dalawang teams na ito. Doloso. Titingnan natin kung talagang tatanggalin na nitong ating USA Falcons, itong ating Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights sa ating semifinals round. Pero mukhang nahihirapan na mabawi nitong ating USA Falcons yung favor na dapat sa kanila. So let's see, Jola Casibor looking for a pass here. Doloso. Del Rosario for 3. No good. And jersey number 14 of the Golden Knights securing that defensive rebound. Kailangan dito ng magandang padagdag on the side of the Golden Knights. Fulgar. No good pa rin. Pero Mac Tripolka may pagbawi dito. Pero still, mahigpit na depensa. 2 koponan. At mabibitawan naman dito ni Posada yung bola. Couple of substitutions, but the USA Falcons called a timeout here, and that is brought to us by Nocast Construction and Supply. Titingnan natin kung ano yung gagawing adjustments, strategies, techniques nitong dalawang teams na ito dahil nandito na tayo sa midway ng ating fourth and final quarter. At take note, 4 lang yung lamang nitong ating Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights. Well, alam natin yung mga past games nitong ating USA Falcons na talagang bumabawi sila pagdating sa fourth and final quarter. Talagang mahigpit na laban yung binibigay nila sa kanilang koponan. Yan yung naging sistema nila hanggang dito sa ating semi-finals round at hindi rin malabo, Rick, na magkaroon tayo ngayon ng overtime match dahil sa higpit ng laro. As we continue the 4 minutes and 55 seconds of the fourth and final quarter, let's see if what do these both teams will do. Now, Mon Aureliano, Christopher Plaza, and now 3 coming from jersey number 10. Ayun yung padagdag na kailangang gawin nitong ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. And that 3 points is brought to us by Gelmar Casa de Descanso. Teardrop shot naman yung bawi dito nitong si Jolar Casibor of the USA Falcons. Tingnan natin kung ano pang padagdag yung gagawin dito ng Golden Knights.
Talagang mapapawaw ka, Jasper, sa ipinapakita nitong dalawang kupunan dito sa loob ng ating hardcourt. Wow. This quality basketball game for these both teams. Talagang mararamdaman mong semifinals itong ating laro this evening. Talagang sulit na sulit ang panunood ng dalawang fans nitong dalawang kupunan naghaharap ngayon. Thank you so much po and happy watching. 3 minutes and 43 seconds remaining. Walang kukurap kasi aalamin natin kung itong Ateneo ba is matitrigger itong USA Falcons na magkaroon ng another game, or will the USA Falcons and the campaign here ng Ateneo sa ating OBL Eleville Cup. So yan ang aabangan natin dito sa loob ng NCF covered court.
Yes, Rick. Dahil talagang hindi natin kay questionin yung team kung bakit sila nakaabot dito sa ating semifinals. Talagang napakagandang performance yung ipinakita sa atin simula hanggang dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. Now, Jolar Casibor for the USA Falcons looking for a good opportunity here. Double team Asibor at masusundot na nga dito ni Plaza. Ayun na yung sinasabi, Rick. Grabe! Dinaganan pa. 2 points for the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Patuloy na paglamang. Last 3 minutes for our fourth and final quarter. Napakaigpit na laban.
Doloso forcing that one in, and that's good on the side of Falcons. Another 2 points was added on the side of Falcons. And now, Mon Aureliano itatawid ang bola sa side ng Ateneo. Let's see kung magkakaroon pa ng magandang conversion of point, but unfortunately, great still ang ibibigay ng Falcons. Samahan pa yan ng napakagandang layup. 2 puntos para sa Falcons at Coach Nuki mapapatawag ng timeout para dito sa kanilang kupunan because look at that score. 64-61. Wow. And on your screen is our instant replay brought to us by Anjana Trading and Gasoline. Napakaganda ng palitan ng puntos, Jasper, dito sa dalawang kupunan. Matibay talaga para dito sa game na ito. 2 minuto na lang ang natitira para sa ating laro. And still, hindi natin alam kung kanino mapupunta ang panalo. 3 puntos lamang dito ang kalamangang hawak ng Ateneo Golden Knights.
And of course, Rick, what a commendable performance naman para dito kay Quijano of the USA Falcons. Napakagandang performance at napakagandang contribution naman dito para sa USA Falcons. And now, 3 puntos yung kailangang habulin ng USA Falcons. Kayang-kaya nila yan pero napakagandang padagdag naman dito ni Beltran. And what a assist here from Christopher Plaza brought to us by Mariano Optical. Now, Ciruelos to Deloso. USA Falcons. Back to Ciruelos. Let's see. Asibor on the outside. Pasibor again. Gagawa ngayon ng diskarte on the short corner. But a traveling violation. Very crucial error din para dito sa USI Falcons. Nako, pabawas ng pabawas, Rek, yung ating oras para dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. 1 minute and 36 seconds remaining with 5-point lead ng ating Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights. Still anybody's ball game. Bilog ang bola at hindi ito imposible para sa USI Falcons. Now, out of bounds here as the same ball possession for the Golden Knights.
But let's give credit sa effort ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Wow! Team effort talaga akong tatawagin para dito sa kanilang kupunan, and if they want to extend this into game number 2, kailangan nilang ingatan itong 5 puntos. And Mon Arellano, dadagdagan pa ng 2 puntos ang kanilang makakahawak dito sa ating laro, and great steal coming from him. Wow! Mon Arellano is the name.
Grabe, Rick. Napakagandang performance yung pinapakita dito ng Golden Knights sa fourth and final quarter. They are consuming their time now dahil 45 seconds na lamang yung nasa game clock at rest pa nga yung huling puntos dito ni Plaza on the side of the Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights. Grabe! 10 puntos sa loob ng 44 na segundo. Let's take at this instant replay brought to us by Angena Trading and Safe Gasoline. Nothing but the net here for Plaza of the Golden Knights. Grabe. Mukhang makikita pa ulit natin itong ating Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights for their second appearance here at our semi-finals round of Oragon Basketball League Level Cup Season 1. Grabe. Maganda yung performance ng Golden Knights ngayon. At talagang mahirap ito para sa USI Falcons. 44 seconds with 10 big points yung kailangan nilang habulin. Let's see kung ano yung gagawin nila after the timeout. Now, Del Rosario to Doloso. But the same ball here. Patuloy na bumabawas yung oras dito. Natawagan pa nga dyan ng foul itong Simon Aureliano. But 41 seconds. What will the USI Falcons do here? 2 free throws for Doloso of the USI Falcons. A good chance. Basket for that first free throw by Doloso. And now, another basket here for Doloso. Now, Golden Knights, anong padagdag pa kaya yung gagawin nila dito? At for sure, pahihirapan sila, pe-pressure sila nitong USA Falcons. 35 seconds on the game clock. Nakuha pa nga yan dito ni Del Rosario. Quijano, 2 points. Nako, grabe, Rick. 29 seconds, Rick. Anong gagawin nila dito? Foul pa nga yung itatawag dito. Kay jersey number 25, Del Rosario. 6 big points. I mean 7 big points. 27 seconds.
Arellano heavily guarded by Doloso here. And a timeout was called on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. What a game para dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights. With this 19 seconds remaining, I'm sure tuwang-tuwa dito ang Ateneo community because sulit na sulit yung suporta at panunood nila ngayong gabing ito. 71-65 is our score. Wow! Great turnaround of events para dito sa ating match na ito. On the first and second quarter, USA Falcons ang umabante. But on the third up until this fourth quarter, Ateneo Golden Knights, pinakitaan tayo ng napaka-solid na depensa at opensa para makakuha ng isa pang game against the USA Falcons. Now, foul was called on the side of Falcons.
And it will be the ball possession of the Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights with Mona Aureliano for that sideline inbound. Malaki-laki yung kailangan nilang habulin dito, Rick. Now, back-to-back fouls na yung nako-commit dito ng ating USA Falcons. That will be a 2 free throw for Beltran on the side of the Golden Knights. Napakagandang performance talaga yung natunghayan natin for both of these teams. And mukhang magkakaroon pa nga ng second appearance itong ating Golden Knights dito sa ating semifinals round. Nako, napakaganda. Kaabang-abang na naman yan, Rick. And that 2 free throws was good by Beltran on the side of the Golden Knights. 15 seconds on the game clock. The shot clock is off. Si Porto Doloso, no good na. Sablay na yung tira nitong dalawa. Doloso and Asibor. At ayun na nga, Rick. Congratulations sa ating Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights dahil makukuha nila yung second appearance nila dito sa ating semi-finals round. And of course, congratulations din sa ating USA Falcons sa pagpapakita ng napakagandang laban. Dikit na laban ang natunghayan natin simula sa first quarter up until dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. And of course, dyan lamang po kayo dahil maya-maya lamang ay makikilala na natin kung sino ang ating best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
May hirap at sakripisyo, ngunit sa dulo nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
I'm so completely yours.
Welcome to the main event. 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 Let's go.
Ano, Morag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
And our best player of the game is brought to us by Nunoy Magtuto, and beside me is our best player of the game, Mon Arellano. And since ikaw yung naging best player of the game this match, magkakaroon ka ng OBL Limited Edition Cup. So congratulations on your big win para dito sa araw na ito. So ano yung nararamdaman mo kasi na-force nyo yung USA Falcons with do or die game next week?
Happy lang kami kasi nakuha namin yung panalo. Sabi kasi ni Coach, one game at a time kami. Huwag kami magpo-focus sa game 2 kasi one game at a time nga. Yun, thankful kaming lahat. Masaya kaming lahat kasi nakuha namin yung game 1.
So ano pa yung aabangan ng Ateneo community sa matches ng inyong team next week at makakaharap nyo ulit itong USA Falcons?
Siguro, yun nga, sabi mo, do or die talaga. Kailangan namin manalo para maka-rematch naman kami sa NCF.
And lastly, this is your time to shout out all the supporters since day one up until now sa Ateneo team.
So gusto ko po magpasalamat sa sumusuporta sa Ateneo Golden Knights, kila Coach Jack, kila Coach Luki, sa mga coaching staff namin, and then sa mga supporters po namin, and then kila mama na sa bahay, yung dalawang mama ko. Shout out, pauwi na ako.
Ayan, congratulations again. Beside me is our best player of this match, Mon Arellano.
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
Ayan, nagbabalik nga kami ulit ni Jasper. And again, our best player of the game is jersey number 55, Mon Arellano, with 14 points, 6 rebounds, 4 assists, and 2 steals. So again, congratulations on your big win and see you next week on our Do or Die game dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court.
Once again, I am Jasper Abante and beside me is Rick Puerta. And of course, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tumutok for our semifinals round, and of course sa ating courtside reporters na nakasama. We have Kyla Casulia and of course Chen Nicolas. Ayan, maraming salamat po. And we promise that we will continue to give you top tier basketball actions only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Catch Uragon Basketball League on Uragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!